Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sharielle if you're new, and if you're returning, thank you for coming back. I started juicing about a year ago and I love it. I do it at least 3 times a week. This video is all about juicing for beginners. This is part 1 and I have 3 recipes I'm going to show you that I really enjoy. As a disclaimer, I am not a nutritionist, I'm not a dietitian, a doctor, or any of these things. If you're allergic, pay attention to the ingredients. By you doing these recipes, you're trying them at your own risk. Now that that disclaimer is out the way, let's get right into the video. My first recipe I call Green Goodness. This recipe is amazing because it has 2 types of greens and you don't taste it. The first step is always washing your ingredients. I personally chop up my apple because my juicer is not heavy duty. When juicing this, there's no particular order, just put all of the ingredients in and it's going to taste great. The mint and apple in this juice give it exciting flavor, while the pineapple provides sweetness, and the greens give it great nutrients. This recipe makes enough for 1 person. This second recipe I call Beat It, because it has beets. This recipe is more about getting beets into my diet more than flavor. I like this juice, but it's not my favorite. These ingredients are washed. Here, the carrots and the beets are peeled, and the carrots, apples, and beets are chopped up because my juicer is not heavy duty. The amazing thing about this recipe is that it's a rainbow of ingredients, and this is how you want your diet to look. The more colors you have in your diet, the more health benefits you're going to get. There's no particular order to add the ingredients to the juicer. Just put them all in and it's going to taste good. The only time I have beets in my diet is when I'm juicing. And beets are so good for you, and that's why I always have to incorporate them. They have antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties, vitamins and minerals, and so many other health benefits. This recipe serves 1 person. Now, the third and final recipe, my favorite one, is Orange Juice Deluxe. And that's what I featured at the beginning of this video. My favorite. All of my ingredients have been washed. My orange, lemon, and turmeric have been peeled, and my apple is cut up because my juicer is not heavy duty. Please remember the recipe says 1/2 of a lemon, not a whole lemon. If you put a whole lemon, it's going to be sour. Once again, there's no particular order, just add all of the ingredients and it's going to taste amazing. What I love about this recipe is that as a child, I grew up loving orange juice, but it was from concentrate, which is loaded with sugar. What's amazing about this is that it's fresh juice. It has spinach to give you some nutrients. It has lemon, which cleanses your body. And turmeric is a root with so many health benefits as well. This juice serves 1 person. So these are my first 3 recipes. I just put up 3 and 3, which is 6. But these are my first 3 recipes. I hope one of these interests you and try it out. They're good to me. I hope you like them too. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more from me, because I am consistent, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification if you want to see right when I post. Thank you for watching my video. Once again, you are appreciated.